Hey gang, alright, so now I need to teach those that don't know in POE how to do Inventor real quick to be able to do their trusses. So first of all, the first thing you do is just come up here and click on, once you open up Inventor, click on New. We're going to do just a standard IPT. IPT stands for Inventor, PT stands for Part, so Inventor Part File. We're going to double click on that. This window will come up, just hit open, it's fine. Once I'm in here, the first thing we need to do whenever we're using Inventor is we need to first create a sketch, then add the 3D dimension to it, or the 3D feature to it. So what we're going to do is we're going to come in and click on Start 2D Sketch right there. Make sure it says 2D Sketch there. Click on any of these surfaces. Generally, I click on the XY plane right there. And once I've got that done, now my next step is to create my 2D sketch. Okay, so I'm going to create my whatever. I'm going to come over here. Let's just go 5 inches. Zoom back, and I come up. Now this time I'm going to come up 330 seconds, 3-32, right? Come over this way, over. Make sure it's, see how, you got to make sure it snaps into place. You see how it snaps in there? I'm just going to go over there, hit escape on the keyboard, click L on the keyboard again, go to this where the green light, see the green light, see how the little green line thing pops up there? You see how yellow, now it's green. Green means it's it's connected to it. So I'm just going to go straight up. Once I hit that, I'm going to use this X trim tool. And you can hit X on the keyboard too to trim it, and then that's all gone. Now my next step is to kind of go through here. So I'm going to come over here, click on this point right there. Let me go to the midpoint here. So I'm going to come over here. You'll see how it will turn green. There it is right there, snaps into there. So I want to go to that point there. I'm just going to come up like this right here. I'm not worried about being perfect right now. So we're just going to do that right there. I'm going to click on this offset tool right up here. Offset. I'm going to click on this and I'm going to type in 330 seconds. 3-32. Hit enter on the keyboard. There, now that's 330 seconds. You see the dimensions there. Come over to this side, do the same thing. Come to this end where it's green. Come up. We're going to come up to that point there. Hit escape on the keyboard. Hit offset. Click here. Come down. Type in. Oh, I don't want that to happen. Well, I guess I could have done the whole thing at once. I didn't realize that. So I'm going to hit escape that one. Now I'm going to hit offset here. I'm going to click here. See how they're connected? Now they're going to automatically go together. So 330 seconds. Once I've done that, now what I have to do is I have to come through and trim everything. Okay, if I want to have I could have a line come down here. I could do this just real quick. I'll just do something like this here. Offset. I don't know. We'll do 630 seconds because that would be half of 330. Oh, nope, I'm sorry. What else? Offset. I wonder if I can't do that. Let's go 1.5, 30 seconds. And go to the other way direction, 1.5, 30 seconds, because that's half of it. Then delete the middle line. And now once I've done that, hit escape and delete the middle line. Now I've got to trim all this stuff out. So I'm going to hit X on the keyboard, or I can click on trim up here. Hit X on the keyboard, hit trim all this stuff out like this. You see that? We want to have all that clear. Come down to this corner, do the same thing down here, get rid of all the extra stuff. Come down to the middle part here, get rid of that. Come down to here and get rid of this and this. Once I've done that, now it's all one part. I come up here, hit finish sketch. I can zoom in and out by moving my mouse wheel, and I can push. If I push the mouse wheel in, I can pan. Once I've done that, hit extrude. And here, click in that area there, type in 330 seconds because that's how big our posts are. There it is, and there's my finished one. Now I need to save this. So of course you're going to save this to your H drive. Remember how to do that? Save to your H drive. Make sure you do that. If you don't save to your H drive, it won't. I'm just going to do it to the downloads here and call it Truss. Once I've saved it, then I come up here and click on New. Click on this one here, Standard IDW. IDW means Inventor, DW means Drawing. Click on there, hit Create, or double click on it, whichever you prefer. That'll open up a new window, a new screen. And the first thing I gotta do is change the paper size. This paper size is size C or D, which is really big. We don't want that. So come over to where it says Sheet. Right mouse click on Sheet, go to Edit Sheet. Change the size here to A, which is our 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper. Click OK. You notice how it's much smaller. I've got this. I don't want that in there for my truss design to be able to build, so I can glue to it and so forth. I'm going to go to this where it says ANSI large, right mouse click on that, hit delete. Now once I've done that, I hit base. My window's going to pop up there. I'm going to change this to 1:1. If that's not the side I want, I can move this around like this here. Now you see the back, or I can go angle this way here. I go upside down. Once it's 1:1, hit OK. You'll see it's like that, and it's ready to be printed. So I can print this now. Just got to come up here and go print it to my to the MFP printer, and it'll print, and you're ready to go ahead and do that. So you're ready to go ahead and start building your truss. Hopefully that helps. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks again for watching.